Bop.
Can you do
Bop.
it?
Do your little sound.
Oh, what is that? Say it's Mommy's tongue cleaner that she doesn't like. She thinks it's totally weird.
Oh my gosh.
You want to show everybody how you walk now? Almost. Okay, stink bug.
Oh, jeez, Mom. Look at that little outfit. Such a cute little hoodie. Scarlett, what are you doing?